Hey, what's going on, everyone? This has been a request. I did a live on the X2D the other day. On the live, people were asking how this X2D printer does printing with the right nozzle. I'm going to print this fidget part right here in PLA, which is on my right nozzle in the HT. So when you're slicing, you can see right here the main nozzle over here on the left. Obviously, this is not correct because this PLA is over here on the right. So you can't just slice it like this and be able to print like that. So what you have to do is go under custom mode. And then once you do that, once you do custom mode, you can actually drag your filament to the auxiliary extruder. So now you can see the main extruder, it was trying to push it over here. So basically what I'm doing is forcing it to actually use the auxiliary extruder. 42 minutes, that's quite long for this little piece right here. And if I do a comparison, I can do a comparison real quick. Actually, you know what? Let me just send this thing to the printer. Send that little part to the printer. So we have 42 minutes and 58 seconds. So basically 43 minutes for that little fidget part on the auxiliary extruder on the X2D. Now, the reason why it's slower is because the extruder is mounted to the back of the printer. It's got that distance to go through the PTFE tube down into the nozzle, right? So there you go right there. It's printing. Let's do a comparison. So we can go back in here. Let's just change this material. So I'm just basically gonna change the material to my AMS left extruder if I reslice it now. So we had 43 minutes. Now we have 32 minutes, basically 11 minutes faster. I'm going to go let that thing print 43 minutes later, and I'll show you guys the results. All right, the print is done, and here are the results. So if this was a concern of yours, I will show you some closer up footage. It came out perfect. It's super clean, no stringing. If this was a concern, then here's your proof. It does print. The right nozzle prints. It was a little bit slower. On our test, it was 11 minutes slower than the left nozzle, but all right, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day, and as always, happy printing.